What's up guys, Jimmy here. Today we'll be continuing with Fun Kid Racing Motorbike Extreme. So yeah, day 2, we'll be continuing with motocross, I believe with Spiky. Is there any cool wheels? Nope. Let's go. As I'm level 8. Woo! Yeah! What the? Hey, who said that was gonna be a big... Wait, when did drums make you speed up? Again, this is a game. I'm flattening down cars. We lead a victory. Woo-hoo! Woo! Yeah, make sure to remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like the. If you want to see more gaming videos like this one. Woo! Hi! Woohoo! Yay! Now, so if you think these levels are a little boring, it's because they're the first couple of levels in the game, weren't it? These levels are nearly over. Eat that. I died. Yay. Whoop. This time I ain't slowing down. Or like speed up. What in the world, a burning log? It throws a burning log at people. Oh, bouncy coins, I love these things. Woo! Yeah! I'll see what levels there were. Yep, we've completed the entire those levels. Back. Let's go on to Motocross Police. What character should I use? Spike. I'll find a nice blue one. Sure, like Blue Rush. Sure, yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna go here. Wheels, I'm gonna go here. Yep, I just did a bit of customization. Changed the wheels. Added a trail. Forgot about a neon. Yeah. Yeah, Laura. Now this one, your money is a little bit different. They're dollar notes. And you don't get dollar notes from where I am. Trust me on that one. I live right down under. Backflip. Oh man, I missed the donut. Backflip. Somehow go backflip. Whew. I feel small without having a jetpack on for some reason or another. Yeah, golden chain. Yeah. So yeah, thus I'll be releasing 2 videos daily. If one of I should be releasing the 2 videos daily most days of the week. Some days I won't be able to because sometimes I go to other places where I can't make videos there. Woohoo! Yeah, get out of here. It's motorbike town, not car town. We're in the on the police. Whoop, whoop. Please don't give me copyright claim. Yeah, police pig. So I've got the sound of police. My character literally looks like it belongs with the police. Sweet. Yeah. Let's go. Race that. Where are my dogs? Where are the dogs? Where are Doges? Where the Doge? Oh yeah, so one of my next videos I will be having a YouTube collaboration with Crazy Creeper Time and Captain Spider. Two of my good friends of mine. I've known Crazy Creeper Time since the channel was made. And Captain Spider I've known for a little bit, but not too long. Yeah, backflip a boat. Owie. I'm faster than the police. Motorbike. Yeehaw. Let's go. Oh, Jesus. Sweet. Oh yeah, and also these videos will be a little bit shorter in the series than my regular videos, which most of them will be around 20 minutes long. I'll try to make them as entertaining as possible. And good. Well, you know what? I think that's enough for this video. Goodbye.